Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again in a new video reaction. Yes, what you are seeing here happened in Imo State as Nigerian army throw bomb on a residential home in this location in Imo State. You know, when you hear that they are bombarding our place and they are throwing bomb from air and there are full soldiers in our villages, in our homes, buying people, taking people on hostage, kidnapping and harvesting, internal organs and all that. It's not a joke. This is one of the atrocities that you need to, see, because there's no graphic images like people, bodies of Biafrans and their blood is not here. That is why we can bring this one, because what happened in Imo State, especially in Osumowo and other places, some of the videos, if you bring it here, there was to give the channel a problem. I don't want that, because of the owners of the platform. We have to select those that are reasonable enough according to their rules and regulations here. So just bear with us. We can do what we can. We cannot force anything here. But one thing you need to understand is that this kind of attack is not something new. It is not something new. If you watch the video of them, what they did in Biafra markets, in homes of Biafra, Biafrans and many villagers are now sleeping in the bush. Like I said, it's not new thing, but some of you are yet to accept the fact that our people are facing a lot of difficulties. You hear terrorism, terrorists and what have you. You may think it's only in the north. This is an act of terrorism, because this house you are seeing here, people have not started. The owner of the building is not yet living here, but the building is almost at the finishing touch. But from sky, they launch the attack. They throw the bomb to do what they know how to do best: residential home, for crying out loud. Then one may ask, this place, is it a hideout of kidnappers or hideout of any criminality or anything? The answer is no. You know what it takes to build even one-room apartment, let alone a very big structure like this, in the poor economy that does not favor any woman. You hustle yourself, you hustle and try to feed yourself, to let head on anything to live your life, because we are our government, we are the government, we are everything. Not we are government by like division of democracy or anything at all. What I mean by you are government is that you are the one to give yourself security. You are the one to give yourself anything you want as people. As a people, you have to build your road, give yourself electricity, give yourself water, everything. Then the so-called government and the security forces is to destroy it at will. Whenever they want, they will launch from sky. They will launch the attack and get away with it. This is what our people are going through. So I'm gonna allow this video for you to hear, because I don't want it to be too long. I just want to make sure that this video is to show you everything that happened here in this location. We have other things, of course, but like I said, we must bring the one that they will permit us, okay? Because if I have to bring the other ones, it may not go down well with the channel. So let us listen to this. The volume may be small, but just bear with us, okay?
Within 2 months, I'm I don't want to have this question on ground. And one of here, I've called the district or the charge of this place. He promised that he will be here very soon. So let us remain calm. Yeah? We have to remain calm. We don't need to do anything. We don't need to panic. I get what I'm saying. The security men, the security agents, they know what to do. If people are here now, they will take record of what is on ground, what they saw, and they know what to do. So don't let the men not calm. I get what I'm saying. Don't panic. Above everything, God is God. is always God. He will protect his people. We thank God that no life was lost. I get what I'm saying. All just property, which we know. Once there is life, there is hope. When they roll out, God will provide for him. He will do another thing. He will rebuild it. So we thank God that the world will. So we should not panic. Let us go about our normal business. There will be something. So that's why that church, that church. That's why that church. All of it, the men camps. The police people or the policemen, when they come, they will take assessment of what is on ground and they will know where they will start from. So that is what I want to tell them.
Oh my goodness. Did you hear what the man said? Just be calm, just wait. Once there's life, there's hope. Yeah, thank God there's no loss of life. Of course, thank God that they did not buy anybody like they normally do. Once there's life, there's hope. God will provide again for the person that owned that lost this his wealth here. God will provide. So you think that God is just jobless? After blessing people, then their own is to destroy it, and that's all. I don't blame him more, because what are you going to do? You are an Igbo man, of course. Once you talk, they will put your life. They add your life to the building. I understand what he's saying, but are we going to continue hoping on God every time? It is good to hope on God. I'm not saying you should not hope on God. God is, of course, His ultimate. He's Alpha and Omega, but you have to sometimes, do something that will prevent this nonsense from happening. Don't be just like he said, remain calm, just be calm, don't worry. God is at work. God is at work. God is always at work. But you don't expect people to to just wait until how or when. When are we going to start, being proactive to stop? Because tomorrow another building will go down. Probably the building that people are in. Of course, people maybe the owner will be in the house and be in the building, and maybe children, God forbid. But it is inevitable. Unless something starts happening, you need to do something. Otherwise, it will keep on repeating over and over again. Black people, no matter how long you give them, they'll keep on messing up because they know it is a chaotic move. No, but no unchallenged. Why Boko Haram are buying them and recording them like well-organized act? Do you know what it takes to invade a army military base and have the temerity to record your activities in their base and go out without unharmed, untouched? But on the other side, you are suffering here. You are the one suffering here. My people, I just want to report this to you so that you can have a look what people can do to our people. Very, very sad indeed. Millions of naira wasted for no just reason. Not as if they will give you a business opportunity or they gave you a enable environment to survive. Your business is being, crippled by every means necessary. You struggle, maneuver your way out and earn some money. They will milk your oil, use that money to buy Ubunigwe, buy jet, fly up and throw the bomb. It's okay. Anyway, thank you guys. Like the video.